of Ginsberg Hospital and ex-randomly suicide. Burger, rebuilding the Hampstead Children's Wards. A very epic and bound. And further along the one in these doors. The service lives. Let's buy these service lives. Well, amazing. And now, in this moment, the child look at the children area, the children wards of this hospital. And now we come along to the next lives in the bailiffs and children wards that are also dynamics. And now which believes the maternity wards are also genetics.
Third floor, premature babies ward.